everyone! For dinner tonight, I made the easiest crispy mayonnaise chicken thighs. They're delicious and they're very quick to make. I'll show you how to make them.
You want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a sheet pan with foil and lightly spray it. Put 4 to 8 chicken thighs on there. Trim off the excess skin or not, that's up to you. Now put a big old spoon of mayonnaise on each piece, spread it out, and then you want to sprinkle with seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm using garlic and Parmesan flavor today. It's delicious. I'm going to top that off with ground black pepper, and cayenne pepper would be a good choice as well. Now you want to put that in the oven at, again, 425 degrees and make sure it's on the middle rack. And then it'll be done at around the 25 to 30 minute mark. Make sure the internal temperature of the chicken registers at least 165 degrees. And there you go. Beautiful, luscious, moist chicken thighs. Lickety-split recipe, and a serving suggestion is with a broccoli salad. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.